Hi, we received these shampoo caps as a gift so that we could show you how they work and give you our opinion about them. So you get 8 in the box and they're individually wrapped. You don't need to add water. They are already moistened and they are already just kind of sudsy. So hopefully you can tell by looking, you can see the bubbles and that it's wet. So you just put it on your head and just kind of rub your scalp with it. As my husband is showing you here. These are actually really good for people who have trouble getting their hair washed. So maybe someone who is bedridden, maybe someone who just can't get in a shower or stick their head under a sink. It's perfect for them because you don't have to rinse it off. It's already wet and soapy and there's no rinsing involved. So he massaged his head for about 5 minutes. You could do 5 to 10 minutes and then just towel dry, or if you prefer to use a hair dryer, you could also do that and just style it. And then he's just going to brush his hair and it's just going to look like it normally does. How did that feel?
Felt fine.
Easy?
Yeah, nothing to it. Works pretty well, actually.
Does it feel like your hair is clean?
Yes. Yep.
Oh, good. It looks nice and clean.
Yeah, exactly.
Kind of fluffy. Looks good.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit like and subscribe.